name is Anastasia and I introduce you Mersin Real Estate Agency, and today I'm in one of my favorite complex in one of my favorite districts, and I want to show you almost ready apartment. It will be ready like in a month, but the complex is amazing and I love it, and I love the developer in healthy way, and also I just want to show it to you because here we have some videos about the showroom in this complex, and I love it and I hope you will love it too. But today we have some apartment from investor, and you will see not ready apartment, but when it will be ready you will love it, trust me. And in the end of this video we will have a look on the complex infrastructure, on the complex area, and I hope it will be a great journey for us. So let's go. So this apartment is located on the 0th floor, or as we say it in Turkish, it's zemin kat, which means literally the floor on the ground. But I like this one because it's kind of, you know, it's kind of cool sometimes when it's on the ground, and if you're scared about maybe some, you know, high floors, so this apartment is definitely for you. And as you may see, everything is going like tuning and everything, a lot of mirrors and everything, and the apartment will be ready in a month. There are no balconies unfortunately, but I love the windows and the doors at the same time. It's really nice and it's pretty big, and actually if you have kids, so it will be really nice because you kind of have your own entrance and the exit at the same time. So literally you can put here stairs, little stairs, and you can go and swim, and you can have your own entrance. You don't have to go to the main. So it's really nice, and we will have a look at this after. But also let's have a look on the bathroom and just look at the height of this apartment is pretty nice because it's unusual. The rest of apartments doesn't have that much. So here we have our bathroom, which is also not completed yet, but I like it. It's pretty spaceful. Here will be, I guess, here will be some wardrobe, and yeah, the entrance, little entrance, nothing more, nothing less. But anyway, but I have something to tell you about this. So I hope you like this video and like this apartment, and I have to tell something about this apartment. This apartment is not usual when you get something new, like, you know, after the building is ready. The investor said that he will include in price also some furnitures, like, you know, refrigerator, conditioner and oven. It will be included in the price. So kinda all you need for this apartment is just furniture, like sofas, chairs, bed and everything, which is getting easily to try to move on to Mersin, if you want to try live here for seasonal holidays, it's also really good because you will not spend some money on on appliances and furniture, some of it, and also it's really good for rent. You will earn some rental income, and I think it's really great. And yeah, that's it for today. After this, you will have a look at our complex infrastructure, and I hope you will like it because I love this complex. Trust me, the developer is really nice. You will love him too. And if you want to come in Mersin, please text comment down below. Maybe you have some questions. I will be ready, and I'm glad always to talk with you guys, to text, to chat with you, and to answer on all of your questions. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos.